So you might be looking at your Google Analytics 4 reports, and then all of a sudden you see this. You click the warning, and then it says that your report is unsampled, but for some reason thresholding is applied. This is happening because you have enabled Google signals in your GA4 property. The impact of this is that rows with very small numbers in your reports will not be displayed. So if you also want to see rows with very small numbers in your reports, you should go to the admin panel of your Google Analytics 4 property, then go to Reporting Identity, then click Show All, and then select Device-Based and hit Save. Reporting Identity is retroactive, so you can switch it anytime you want, and this will apply how the data is displayed in your interface and how is it calculated, both for feature data and for your already collected data. Once you do that and come back to your report, you will no longer see that warning. Hey, my name is Julius from Analytics Mania, and I will be sharing 30 Google Analytics 4 tips at this year's MeasureSummit. See you there.